Rule 9. Background rates are often crucial. From a Workbook for Arguments by Morrow and Weston. To persuade you that I'm a first-rate archer, it's not enough to show you a bullseye I've made. You should ask, politely to be sure, yes, but how many times did you miss to get that bullseye? Getting a bullseye in one shot tells quite a different story than getting a bullseye in, say, 1,000. Even though in both cases I genuinely do have a bullseye to my name. You need a little more data to figure out what's going on here other than me just showing you the target with the bullseye. Here's an argument. Leon's horoscope told him that he would meet a vivacious new stranger. And lo and behold, he did. Therefore, horoscopes are reliable. Dramatic as examples like this may be, the problem is that we're only looking at the cases in which horoscopes came true. To properly evaluate this evidence, we need to know something else as well. How many horoscopes didn't come true? When I survey my classes, we can usually find a few Leons out of every 20 or 30 students. But the other 19 or 29 horoscopes go nowhere. A kind of prediction that comes true only once out of 20 or 30 tries is hardly reliable. It's just lucky once in a while. It may have some dramatic success, like my archery, but its success rate may still be abysmal. To evaluate the reliability of any argument featuring a few vivid examples, then, we need to know the ratio between the number of hits and the number of tries. It's a question of representativeness again. Are the featured examples the only ones there are? Is the rate impressively high or low? This rule is widely applicable. Today, many people live in fear of crime or constantly attend to stories of shark attacks, terrorism, or other dramatic events. Of course, these things are awful when they occur, but the probability of any one of them actually happening to any given individual, say the shark attack rate, is extremely low. Crime rates continue to go down across the United States. No doubt, we're preoccupied with the exceptions because they're constantly featured on TV and in the news. This does not mean that they're actually representative. The same goes, by the way, for desired things, like winning the lottery. Any individual's chance of winning, that is, the winning rate, is so low as to basically be nil, but we seldom see the hundreds of thousands of losers for the lottery, just the one or the few winners raking in the money. So we wildly overestimate the background rates and imagine that with the next lottery ticket purchase, we may be the one. Save your money, my friends.